इंडिया स्पीक्स डेली को सब्सक्राइब करें, उसके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं यदि आपको इसकी पत्रकारिता पसंद हो। धन्यवाद।
Welcome to India Speaks Daily. I am Mr. Narayankar. Last night, Republic TV's Arnab Goswami was interrogated for 12 and a half hours by Mumbai police for calling Sonia Gandhi by her original name, Antonio Maino, and maintaining silence over Palgad lynching. Abdul Kalam did not get angry when he was called Akhbar Bechne Wala, neither PM Modi for calling him Chai Wala. So, why is it that Sonia is enraged with anger for calling her by her original name? Sonia had called Modi Maut Ka Saudagar, and her lumpen mafia called him Neech, Tanashah, and Atankwadi. It is absolutely clear for all to see as to who is intolerant and fascist. Of course, where shall that fascist tendencies would go? It is running in Antonio Maino's blood. Her father was a soldier in fascist Mussolini's army and was imprisoned for at least 2 years in a Russian jail. Mumbai is hot spot for Chinese virus, but see, Mumbai police priority. They are following Antonio Maino's instructions. This lumpen, an Italian mafia queen led Congress party, receives and gives all state honor to a Kashmir leader who had killed Indian Air Force officers, but foist 200 FIRs against Arnab Goswami for calling Sonia by her original name. Congress is making mockery of the law and the Indian Constitution. Antonio Maino should speak up on Palgad lynching. The demand is absolutely relevant because her government is ruling Maharashtra and we all know her tear-jerking for Batla House terrorist killing. Antonio Maino, some may not like Arnab's style of journalism, but he has earned people's respect for his courageous stand with the truth. Majority of the people are with him. Don't be misled by lumpen journalists like Rajdeep, Barkha Dutt, Pranay Roy, Shekhar Gupta, Arfa Khanam, and Ramesh Pandey. They have buried your party and now they will bury your fame and whatever respect you have. Antonio Maino, you will not be able to do any damage to Arnab because he is not among money laundering journalists. Speak up or face people's wrath after lockdown. Don't take this lightly. Already, people are angry with your fake news peddling through your spineless minions and the Lutyens brigade. Why are you silent, Antonio Maino? Is it because your anti-Hindu NSA member Peter De Mello's name is cropping up in the lynching? We as journalists would trace and expose the entire machinery and planning behind Palgad lynching and see them prosecuted in a fast-track court beyond the influence of local factors and punished to the fullest extent of the law in full public view. We are not like your sold out journalists. Get ready, Antonio Maino, and good luck.